Malco's drip edge folding tools are built to deliver fast, consistent bends in standing seam metal roofing panels, now with enhanced strength, control, and comfort. Available in 16, 18, and 24-inch widths, these tools handle up to 22-gauge steel with precision and ease. Each tool features rib-reinforced steel plates, permanently welded to form 1-inch and 1.5-inch folding seam depths, perfect for clean drip edge bends on roofing panels. A robust, glass-filled nylon handle provides lightweight durability and exceptional leverage, whether you're working overhead or on the bench. The two-post handle design improves control and leverage, while the larger grip diameter helps reduce strain and user fatigue on larger jobs. More sizes, smarter design. Malco Drip Edge Folding Tools, engineered for performance, built for trade pros.